In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect our Arzopa monitor to tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of tablet you have, either an Android tablet, an iPad, regardless of the manufacturer, you will be able to connect and use your Arzopa monitor. To do this, you need to establish a connection using the appropriate cable. So this will be done using a Type-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. First, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the Arzopa monitor. There are going to be plenty of USB-C ports available. You just choose one of them and plug it in. The other end will go into your phone, or in this case, a tablet. So plug it into your tablet using the provided USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, right away, the image is not going to appear. This is because it also requires external power. This will be provided using the USB-A to USB-C cable. So you plug one end of this cable into the monitor. This will be done in the USB-C port. So use the extra one to provide it with power. And the other end, USB-A, goes into any suitable power source. This can be a power brick, a power bank, external power supply, whatever you have. Just make sure that it is connected to a suitable power source. And once the monitor is receiving power, it is going to reflect the image from your phone or tablet, as long as you have the USB-C to USB-C connection established. There's no secret to this. It's super simple to use, and the only requirement is providing it with the necessary amount of power while it is connected to an USB-C port. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.